Today I'm excited to share part 1 of my 4-part series on my graphing calculator MVPs. That's right, most valuable programs. When I first started providing SAT and ACT support about a decade ago, I didn't realize that so many useful graphing calculator programs were permitted on both tests. You might be asking yourself, isn't it cheating? Well, no. The ACT puts it well on their website. A student must choose the right program for the right purpose. This is much the same as choosing the right formula for the right purpose. In other words, the student still needs to be able to correctly interpret what the question is asking, sometimes set up an equation or modify one that's already given, and then identify the program that will get the correct solution. So, without further ado, let's explore my first graphing calculator MVP, solve systems. So this question is a real one from the SAT. It says that there were a total of 209 salads and drinks sold, where each salad was sold for $6.50 and each drink sold for $2, creating a revenue of $836.50. So we go to Programs, navigate to Solve Systems, and then we could input the coefficients for the top equation as well as for the bottom equation. And we obtain that there were a total of 93 salads and 116 drinks sold.